Hello and welcome to day 5 of the 5-day yoga journey. Today, we're going to be focusing on the healing power of the breath. Now, when we learn this technique, it's going to allow you to bring it into all different types of situations. When chaos builds up, when stress builds up in our lives, it begins to clutter our mind and it almost makes it feel like we're not in control and we feel like we can't get out of it, and it's a lot. And focusing on the breath, it helps us bring us back to center. So stress overwhelms us, but sometimes stress is good depending on what it is. When you're lifting weights like a 5-pound weight, or when you're problem solving and challenging your mind. But when stress gets to the point where it is so overwhelming and we feel like we're trapped, that's when it could be detrimental to our health. And today, taking this time to focus on the breath, as simple as it may sound, it's going to help a lot. Now, when you begin to focus on your breath practice, you may feel like you're not doing something right, or you're judging yourself and you're overthinking. But the best thing and the most important thing you could do is relax. Just let go and be. It's part of the process. It's part of the unfolding process of exploring, just seeing what happens. When you want things to happen a certain way, or when you force something to happen, or you're so focused on a specific outcome, right? The outcome paradox. We're so focused on this, it prevents us from getting to where we want to be. So just be, just relax, let go. So today, we're going to be focusing on coherent breathing. And what that entails is for us to focus on breathing in on the count of 5 and breathing out on the count of 5. And we're going to do this in a very circular motion. So inhale for 5, exhale for 5, right? For me, I like to personally visualize just a circle being formed, right? It's just continuous. There's no pauses, just breathing in for 5 and breathing out for 5. And if you do find it hard to breathe in and out on a count of 5, you may be forcing your inhales and exhales. Just try slowing them down, being more gentle with your breath. So we're going to practice it together. We're first going to focus on connecting with our breath, taking notice, and then I'm going to gradually increase the count. I'm going to start off with a 2 count and bring us up to a 5 count. Just taking our time with it, being here in the present moment. So let's get started with the breath technique. So come into a comfortable position, either sitting on a chair or on the ground or on a block or folded blanket. Place your hands on your knees and gently close your eyes. Begin to connect with your breath, taking notice of your inhales and exhales, focusing on breathing in and out through your nose, relaxing your shoulders, coming back to center. Now I'm going to begin to count. And we're going to gradually increase, starting from 2, building up to 5. Breathe in, 2. Breathe out, 2. Breathe in, 2. Breathe out, 2. Breathe in, 2, 3. Breathe out, 2, 3. Breathe in, 2, 3. Breathe out, 2, 3. Breathe in, 2, 3. Breathe out, 2, 3. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now go at your own pace. Connecting with your breath. Not forcing anything. Just letting everything naturally happen. Focusing on the sound. Focusing on your breath. Coming back to center. Good. Slowly opening your eyes. And taking a moment to just notice how you feel in this moment. How focusing on your breath. Breathing in and out on the count of 5, in and out through your nose. How it makes you feel. How it starts to help, little by little, step by step. That's what it takes to help. Moving in that direction, taking your time. Thank you so much for joining us this week. We honor you so much for showing up, for all the kind messages that you've shared with us through email. Thank you very much. We truly hope these 5 days have helped you and have started to build that momentum for you. The momentum of going in the direction of improving your health, of improving yourself, and just taking those steps to come back to your center. That place of strength and peace. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the mat for our next practice. Bye.